welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you are new, thank you for joining us. Today, I'm super excited because I ordered some kind of rare Halloween type books off of eBay. And then I also got some things off of Amazon that are like Halloweenish. And I wanted to unbox them with you guys. Sadly, one of them got lost in the mail, so I will not be able to unbox it, but I will insert a picture of it during the video so that you guys can at least see what it is, and hopefully it makes it here at some point before Halloween. So I have these 3 packages. 2 of them are from eBay, and then one of them is from Amazon. There was a 3rd one that I got off of eBay, but it's lost somewhere. Hopefully this will speed up my package opening. Ooh, maybe not. And I'm gonna cut myself in the process. Does not want to come out. Oh, look at that. It has pretty eBay paper. Look at that. That's some nice tissue paper. That is beautiful. I like that. Alright, you guys. Oh, make sure I got the right way. And, oh, wait a minute. I have it upside down. So, this is what it is. It is the Little Monsters Scholastics book. And this one was apparently released before the movie was. So, it was like meant to be, you know, kind of paired with the movie. I'm super excited for it. If you guys don't know what Little Monsters is, you should check it out. It's on Netflix, and if it's not on Netflix, then it's on Hulu, because for whatever reason, when it's not on one, it's on the other. So this is what it looks like. It has Fred Savage and Howie Mandel, and it is such an amazing movie. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna lie, this is like definitely a children's book, but I don't care. I'm trying to find the pictures because there are colored pictures inside. Oh yeah. I want to show you guys the colored pictures. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to like bend the spine because like you can tell that the spine has never been like bent or anything. So like it makes me not want to bend it, but... So this is a picture of Fred Savage in all his glory. He was so cute in this video. And then this is some pictures from the movie. And then this little boy, oh goodness. And then the little boy up here is actually Fred Savage's little brother. And then there he is down there with his dad, and the scene where his dad runs over his bike. And then there is Howie Mandel as Maurice. And then here they are underneath the bed. Oh. Ah! Okay, so they don't have the picture I was hoping for, but that's cool. So this down here, let me try to zoom in on this. So this right here is Boy, and it's after they like kind of hit him with the light, so then his face kind of melted off, and then this guy is Snick, and it's basically Boy's like servant.
You know, I thought it was something good, but it's not.
Hey, Maurice.
Hey, Shmoo.
Who's the drip?
Hey, ease off, bud. This young man, he saved me from a fatal case of sunburn, so I decided to give him a grand tour.
Oh, very well. You got a frat in Cleveland.
A brat in Cleveland.
An infant Atlanta.
An infant Atlanta.
And a twerp in Boston.
And a twerp in... And a dweeb giving me all this. I like taking my 2 big, black, leather-gloved hands and grabbing your head and cutting it off. Hey! Hey! Boy gets what he wants! Hey, remember, boy always gets what he wants.
Next eBay package. Knife. it's a package in a package. Luckily, this one is not sealed. This one I'm excited for because it is it. And this one I'm excited about because I got this one because it was like the first sign-in and it was like a rare type of book. And I kind of like the old style kind of look to the cover. And I'd never read the book, so I wanted to get the book. So, so I got this because I like Stephen King books, so I got this one. The book that I got off eBay that did not arrive was the Donnie Darko book, and it was the one by Richard Kelly, and I think it was the one that was supposed to be paired in with the movie. It kind of gave some like background on the movie and stuff like that. But yeah, apparently it got lost in a wormhole. So hopefully it does arrive soon because I really want to read it because I really like Donnie Darko. That is like one of my all-time favorite movies. I could watch it if it was like the last movie on the planet to watch. I would be happy to watch it all day, every day. Alright. Someone tried to pull off my doodaddy thing here. So now it makes it hard for me to pull it off. Oop. There we go. I got my hair stuck. Alright. So, the one thing I got was A Goofy Movie DVD, which I'm super excited about. Because it's like my all-time like favorite kid movie. Because it was so cute and fun. And who doesn't like the part with Powerline? Alright, so this next thing I got off of Amazon, I was originally going to get it on eBay, but always check Amazon sometimes if it's like a newer item, because sometimes Amazon will actually have it cheaper, which they did. It was $2 cheaper on Amazon, and I didn't have to pay shipping. So, yes, it is this. And I got this, and I was super excited about this because it's supposed to be like the Hocus Pocus book plus the sequel, which is supposed to be like, what's it say? Yeah. So it's like Max and Allison had a kid, and then 17 years later, their kid lights the black flame candle and then brings them back, and then they have to try to, I guess, kill them all over again. So it just seemed interesting. I like Hocus Pocus. Who doesn't? So I figured it would be, you know, a fun kind of read. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing this stuff with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss the next time I upload a video. Bye guys.